10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Ready, start. The plaintiffs challenged the order passed below Exhibit 5 by preferring appeal from order number 109/2018 before the division bench, wherein division bench wide order dated 2/11/2018 dismissed the said appeal from order stop. The defendants also preferred cross objection number 108/2018, which was also dismissed stop. The suit was thereafter proceeded from time to time stop. Both the sides preferred various applications stop. As per the averments made in the plaint, plaintiff number 1 is a wholly owned subsidiary of plaintiff number 2 company having its registered office at Dalton Industrial Park, Dalton, Israel stop. Plaintiff number 2 company was incorporated in Israel in 1988 stop. Plaintiff number 1 was established in the year 2004, which was purchased by plaintiff number 2 in the year 2008 stop para. It is the claim of the plaintiffs that an invention was made about the determination of the location of inclusions in gemstones, and the machine was designed for which patent number 271425 is granted by the Controller General of Patent, Design and Trademarks, Government of India on 22/2/2016 for an invention entitled "Coat Method for the Evaluation of a Gemstone Decoat," as per the application made by the plaintiffs on 22/2/2008 for 20 years in accordance with the provisions of the Patent Act, 1970 stop. It is claimed by the plaintiffs that it is an invention pertaining to the determination of the location of inclusions in gemstones, which are ornamental objects rather than put to an industrial use and are valued stop. As per the plaintiffs, in order to obtain optimum clarity in a polished diamond, it is necessary to identify location, shape and size of flaws or inclusions inside a rough stone so as to reduce their influence on the final value of the polished stone's stop. The entire exercise is done by cutting the stone adjacent and polishing out the most value reducing flaws to prevent them stop para. It was contended by the plaintiffs that prior to invention of plaintiff number 1, rough stone was visually examined by the experts who relied on experience, skill and industry practices in order to provide a best estimate of what the inclusions were and where they were located stop. However, such process often wasted precious materials and reduced the weight and potential value of the stones, because such identification required opening windows by polishing the external surface of the rough stones at a number of locations stop. According to the plaintiffs, when a package of gemstones is to be evaluated, it would take a long time to assess each stone, and so the package value is often deduced through the examination of representative stones only instead of assessing each stone, resulting into less value of the package stop. Therefore, according to the plaintiffs, in order to resolve such problem of inclusions in rough stone, plaintiff number 1 set out to solve such problem, by among other things, utilizing an immersion medium having the same or extremely close refractive index as a diamond, and invented and developed the technology and the machines for which plaintiff number 1 was granted and is the registered owner of the patent bearing number IN 271425 in India stop over. तो दोस्तों, ये 120 वर्ड्स पर मिनट की स्पीड का लीगल डिक्टेशन है गुजरात हाई कोर्ट के लिए. इसे लीजिएगा, बताइएगा कैसी लगी स्पीड. स्पीड बिल्कुल एकदम नपी तुली हुई है. 120 है तो 120 ही है, ठीक है. 121 हो सकती है लेकिन 120 से कम नहीं हो सकती. तो लाइक शेयर कमेंट कर दीजिएगा और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर कीजिएगा और अगर इसको ट्रांसक्राइब करना हो तो डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स पे लिंक दी गई है वेबसाइट की, वहाँ पे जाके आप इस डिक्टेशन का जो टाइटल है, मतलब जिस लाइन से ये शुरू हुआ है उस लाइन को सर्च करके अपनी डिक्टेशन को आप ट्रांसक्राइब कर सकते हो वहाँ पे जाके स्टार्ट एग्ज़ाम पे। ओके, थैंक यू सो मच, बाय बाय, मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। थैंक यू।